Alright guys, thanks for coming with us today. We are at one of Leo's favorite parks, and it is a beautiful Thursday morning. There's the big man. Ready, big man? Let's go do it. This way, buddy. We are in the Rancho Penasquitos area of San Diego. This is a park next to a school, and the big man loves coming here. We picked a great time, early enough to where there's not too many folks out yet, which suits us just fine. There's a school right over there. As we've seen, lots of schools attached to parks. So you can see ample space for us to run around. Big man showing off his lawnmower skills. Nice moves, buddy. Should we go for a run? Okay. Let's go this way, buddy. Come on. I'll steer clear of the other dogs. How you doing, buddy? Yeah. There's something about this park Leo just really likes, so. It is the last Thursday in February. What do you think, big man? What do you think, big man? We caught it at a good time today. We've been here before and it is packed with people and dogs, and if we're headed to the park, we prefer it a little less populated. Oh, big man. Big man's busy getting his exfoliation on. How's it going in there, pal? As we've mentioned before, Leo was a goaltender, so naturally his inkling is going to be to protect that goal. Oh, buddy. Ready, pal? Just keep going, buddy. All right. So sometimes we will walk the path of the park here, and sometimes we'll head out into the street and take a neighborhood look. Let's go back this way, but there's not too many people here. I think today we'll stick to the park since it's not too populated, and just enjoy the sounds of the birds. Take a nice slow walk. Come on, buddy. Leo is definitely okay with taking it slow. Oh, there's the lawnmower man again. Let's go. Let's go throw this out, buddy. Good boy. Come here real quick, pal. Come here, pal. We bring our own bowl, but we're not opposed to having fun and using the given bowl that they got there for us. It's a very nice feature. We appreciate it. You get enough there, buddy? Have as much as you want, pal. Have as much as you want. Good job, buddy. Come on. More? Oh, man. All right. Good job, bub. The guy's thirsty. He wants a drink. Good job, buddy. Now, the trails we go on are great, and we're lucky to have them nearby and to be able to have those adventures, but the parks are just a lot more relaxing, a lot less intense, and we're okay with mixing it up. Huh, pal? He's busy. All right, buddy, let's get it moving. Let's go. You want to go for a run? Want to do a little run? I'll race you. Ready? Ready? Let go. Yes. Good job, buddy. I can't say as if Leo's the only one who likes this park. I'm a big fan. Big man likes it. I like it. Come on, big man. Usually there's a bunch of kids playing over there, but as I mentioned, it's a little early. Come on, buddy. Lead the way, big man. Good job, buddy. Oh. This way, pal. Come on, pal. Need a rest? Yep. Hello. Should we take a rest? Alright guys, well there's a couple dogs coming our way and we're getting a little street noise, so we're just gonna go ahead and say goodbye right now. We appreciate you coming with us. Big man, you want to say goodbye? And we'll see you again soon. Thanks again, guys. Say bye, big man.